Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the project in IntelliJ. First, make sure Git is installed and visible on your path, and that you've signed into GitHub. Once done, open or create the project you want to track and enable version control integration, selecting Git. Then set up authentication by adding your SSH key or a personal access token in IntelliJ settings under GitHub so pushes and pulls authenticate seamlessly. You'll now handle the core workflow, branching, staging, and connecting to the remote. Start by creating a feature branch through VCS right arrow git right arrow branches so your work stays isolated. Next, use the commit tool window to stage changes and craft a concise, informative commit message explaining why. If your repository lacks a remote, add one via git right arrow manage remotes and set the origin URL. This ensures you can push your branch to GitHub. You finish by synchronizing and creating a pull request. Push your branch using VCS right arrow git right arrow push and set the upstream if prompted so future pushes are simple. Then open a pull request on GitHub or use IntelliJ's GitHub tool window to start code review and merging. If you encounter conflicts, fetch the latest, then rebase or merge onto your branch, manually resolve conflicts in the editor, and recommit. One key tip: enable automatic stash when pulling to avoid losing local changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.